and welcome back to my channel. Today I am testing some internet viral recipes from TikTok, Instagram because they keep coming up and I really doubt if they taste good. But if they taste good, then they are fantastic because these are high protein, healthy chocolate puddings. And I'm going to give two recipes a go. Both of them claim to be high in protein. They both look very easy to make, suspiciously, and they claim to be delicious. But are they really delicious? And that's what I'm going to check today. So I'm going to start with a high protein chocolate mousse recipe, which is vegetarian. So let's start with that one. I am going to start by melting 60 grams of dark chocolate, and I'm just going to do it in a microwave. When you melt dark chocolate in microwave, any chocolate to be honest, don't put it for long. So kind of put it for 20 seconds, take it out, stir, put it for 20 seconds, take it out, stir, because that will stop it from burning. So I'm going to melt the 60 grams of dark chocolate first. So this has been in the microwave for total of 1 minute, nicely melted. Now I'm going to get the other ingredients ready and out. Next I need a nice blender to get everything together. So I have got here 150 grams of paneer, which I'm going to blitz, but I just still need to break it into smaller pieces. If your paneer is really hard, you can grate it as well. Next I'm going to add 7 tablespoons of milk. I'm using whole milk. Next I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Next I have got here 1.5 tablespoon of honey. So that's 1 and a bit, and I'll just get another. Yeah, that seems like a half. And the last thing to go in is our melted dark chocolate. Just gonna mix it all up. Okay, I'm gonna get a little thing to set it in. No idea what to expect, to be extremely honest. Ooh. So that is looking good. I have not tasted it because I really don't want to taste it beforehand, and I'm kind of not like really tempted to do it straight away. So I'm going to put it in the fridge. I'm going to check it in an hour if it's a bit set to try, and in that time I'm going to try my other recipe. Round 2, the second healthy protein packed chocolate dessert is coming up, and this one is made with eggs, not raw eggs, but actually boiled eggs, and I just can't get my head around it. So I really need to try this. So first things first, I am going to boil some of eggs, of course. So the recipe asks to use 6 eggs. To be extremely honest, I really don't know if I want to use 6 eggs, because if it's not good, then I'm going to waste a lot of eggs and a lot of chocolate. So I am going to divide the recipe in half, and I'm going to make it with 3 eggs. So 3 eggs, I'm going to cover it with boiling water and then cook it for 8 minutes, whole 8 minutes. Just had a thought, if in fact it is really good, will I want more? Will I regret not making more? So actually I'm going to just follow the exact recipe. So I am going to boil 6 eggs for 8 whole minutes. In that time, I'm just going to have a quick coffee. So the eggs have boiled, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dip them in cold water and then peel them up, and I'm going to let this cool down because I don't think I can like beat hot eggs. And in that time, I'm going to get some more dark chocolate. This is from the previous recipe. I'm going to get some more dark chocolate and melt it, because the eggs can cool down and the chocolate can cool down both at the same time. For this recipe, I need 75 grams of dark chocolate. I'm going to do the same thing, break it into small pieces, put it in the microwave for a minute in total, but I'm going to stir it every 20 seconds. I don't want it to burn my lovely dark chocolate. 75 grams. So the ingredients for the second one with the egg are quite similar to the first one, which is cocoa powder, honey, and kind of chocolate. So I think the main source of protein in the first one is paneer, and in the second one it's egg. The boiled eggs have a very strong smell to them, so I'm quite interested in knowing how. Yeah, you know why I'm here, right? Okay, so let's put this together and put it in the fridge so that both of them set, and then in a couple of hours hopefully we'll be able to try a scoop of each and find out the truth. So this also needs a blender. All the eggs. Hopefully this will be big enough. If not, I'll have to move it to a big blender. Gonna add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to this. Now it needs 3 tablespoons of honey. Then it needs 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm gonna go with vanilla paste, so 1 teaspoon should be fine. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now goes in the melted chocolate. 100 ml of milk. Might be a bit too much, but I'll give it a go. I have crossed the maximum mark of this blender, but hey ho. Okay. Oh, I am so tempted to taste this, but I'm trying to be good and let it set and chill. Right, I'm gonna get nice little bowls to put them in the fridge. Right, I found these chocolate things that I used to buy, and then I kept these for years. I have not used them. Today's the day. Okay, so it's nice and thick. I'm gonna spread a little bit. So this says serves 4, which I think is a bit generous. And it also says that I can top this with cream, but that kind of defeats the purpose of being healthy. So I am going to skip the cream. I'm not going to do cream. Yeah, definitely 6 portions, not 4. Definitely. Okay, so I have made 4 like these little bowls, and I've made 1 for myself. So basically you can easily, I think, get 5 to 6 portions out of it. That is, if you decide to make it. We'll find out once this is set. I'm going to get some pistachio to top this up. Okay guys, so I've just got finish powder of pistachio. I had it in my cupboard, so I'm just using that to finish it. Like I said, you can whip some cream, which I'm guessing the kids will, but I might not. I want to taste just this, not the cream, so I'm not going to put cream on mine. So this is all going to go in the fridge for at least a couple of hours. Okay guys, so I left it in the fridge overnight because things happened yesterday. I didn't want to eat it. That's the first one with the vegetarian one, and this is the one with the eggs. I'm going to finish this with some cocoa powder and then we can taste it. Okay, so I've given one of these for you to try, and he's not coming on camera, but he's happy to give his review. What do you think is in it?
I couldn't tell. Maybe like there's like alcohol in it.
What is it? Dark chocolate. Any other guesses?
I can't tell.
Does it taste of boiled egg?
No.
No?
No.
Does it taste good?
Yeah.
If I make it again, will you eat it?
Of course.
Okay. Right, time for me to taste it. That's the one with the eggs. Oh, it's just pretty decent, if I say so. You really could not in a million years tell me it had boiled eggs in it. It's got a lovely honey flavor. So I would say use a nice honey, nice dark chocolate to make it taste delicious. Mmm. And that's the second one. This was actually the first one, the one with paneer, vegetarian. That's really good. It's sweeter than that one. And again, you really can't tell it's got paneer in it at all. It's got a lovely texture to it. It's not completely silky smooth. And I did use a very good blender, but it is really nice. The moral of the story is that they both taste pretty good. I don't know which one I prefer. Oh, that's more chocolatey, like really dark chocolate, and that's a bit sweeter. I think they're quite similar with a bit of difference. But the thing what I want to say is that they both work, is what I'm trying to say. They're high in protein and very easy to make in minutes, seconds, and definitely worth a go. So I'm going to eat some and then I'm going to leave the rest in the fridge and then we can eat it in the next couple of days. And I would definitely make it again. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want any other recipes that you want me to try, then please let me know in the comments below. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you back for another new recipe very soon. Bye for now.